Episode 7. Arthur's point of view. Hobie treated Tea's wound. Yoongi gave him special food to eat, which wasn't spicy at all. June gave him punishment to arrange his room and left. Cook was arranging the things while talking with wristwatch and plants. T came there and offered him help, but he denied him. He brought the chair for him and forced him to sit on it. Both T Cook started talking. Jimin was secretly watching them time to time. He gave T medicine which he gulped quickly without any tantrums. Jimin gave him healthy and light food to eat. He was so happy to get food less than 4 hours. He enjoyed his food with Ji-Cook. After the lunch, Ji-Cook started cleaning the house. T was roaming behind Cook and asked to give him some work to do, but Cook didn't let him do anything because he was sick. They were standing on the stairs. Cook was mopped the stairs. He lightly pushed T to move away, but due to wet stairs, he slipped and fell from there. June came there on right time and protected T from falling, but he became super mad and harshly slapped him. Let's see what happens next. June quickly went to him and harshly slapped him. He fell on the floor. This is the way to treat anyone? We won't say anything to you. That's why you are becoming brat day by day. Today I will teach you a good lesson. Grabbed his arm and started dragging him. Cook started screaming. So sorry. Hurts. Mini Hangi. June, stop screaming. Today nobody can save you from me. I know very well how to tame your brattiness. T tried to stand up but badly fell. Sir, it's not his mistake. June, shut up, T. You don't need to take his side. I'm here. He can't threaten you. I'm watching since the day you come here. He only threatened you, but today he crossed all the limits. He pushed you from the stairs. Today I won't leave him, said while dragging Cook from the staircase. T, no sir, you misunderstood him. He didn't push me. It was... June, you don't need to lie, T. I saw everything by my eyes. Now he pushed him. Now move away. Cook crying hard. Mini Hangi. Cook was crying and screaming, but June didn't show any mercy on him. He was very angry. He dragged him outside. T tried to stop him, but he didn't listen to him. He tried to follow him, but because of his ankle sprain, he fell down. Hearing Cook's screaming, Jimin ran there and saw T was on the floor. He immediately went to him and helped him to sit on the chair. Jimin, T, what happened to your leg? T, leave me, help him. Sir took him outside. Jimin, confused. Which sir? Where is Cookie? He was with you, right? Cook screamed, Mini Hangi. T, sir, please save him. Jimin, you relax here. I will be back soon. Quickly ran outside. June, angrily, what do you think about yourself? Do you think you are the youngest and we love you, then you can do anything? No, you are wrong. You can't do wrong things. Cookie didn't do anything wrong. Cookie is a good boy. June, what did you say? You didn't do anything wrong. Pushing someone from the stairs is something good boys do. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie didn't push Bad Tata from stairs. June, you again dare to lie, and that too in front of my face. You are lying like water. Who taught you this? We never taught you lie. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, Cookie isn't lying. Cookie never lied. Jinny Yangi said lying is a bad manners. June, after doing all these things, you have this much audacity to become innocent? Cook, little bit loud. Why aren't you believing Cookie? Cookie is saying nah. Cookie didn't push Bad Tata. Cookie isn't lying. June, now you dare to shout on me? Look like I have to teach you so many things today. Today I will tame your all the brattiness. He again slapped him harshly, but this time Jimin came in between and took the slap on himself. Cook closed his eyes tightly. June, super mad. Jimin, how dare you to come in between? Cook quickly opened his eyes and hugged him tightly. Mini Angie! Jimin hugged him back and patted his back. Shh, don't cry. See, your mini Angie is here. Now stop crying, okay? June, Jimin, what are you doing here? Jimin, what are you doing, Hang? Why are you beating him? June, why am I beating him? He deserves this. And you, looked at Cook. Come out quickly. Today nobody can save you from me. Cook hugged Jimin more tightly. No, Mini Yangi, Cookie didn't do anything wrong. Please save Cookie. Jimin, shh, I'm here. Don't worry. June grabbed Cook's arm and tried to pull him out. Do you think Jimin can save you? Cook tightened his grip on Jimin's arm. No, Mini Yangi. Jimin, Yang, leave him, he's scared. June, I won't leave him. It would be better for you to stay away from him. He forgets all the manners and lessons which we taught him. Now I have to teach him a good lesson so that in future he will think thousands times before doing anything like this again. Jimin, Yang, let's wait for other hands. If he did anything wrong, then they will definitely make him understand. Beating him isn't a good idea. June, don't teach me. What should I do or not? Don't you dare to come in between today. I'm warning you, Jimin. Jimin, Yang, but listen to me. June pushed him. Move away, Jimin. And don't you dare to call anyone. Jimin, Yang, you are doing so wrong. When other hands get to know this, they will be mad on you. June, they won't be mad on me. Looked at Cook. And you, kneel down here. Jimin, Yang, his knees will be get scratches. Here is lots of small pebbles. He will be hurt. June, if he can hurt others, then he should also know the pain. Jimin, okay, you want him to kneel down, right? Then tell him to kneel down on the floor. June, Jimin, don't become over smart, okay? Don't teach me what should I do or not. Jimin, I'm not teaching you, I'm just... June, enough, Jimin. Now no more arguments. If you say a single word, then I will bring switches. Jimin, scared. No, I won't say anything, but please don't bring switches. June, looked at Cook. And you, can't you listen at once? Cook quickly dropped on his knees, but he screamed loudly. Ah, hurts. June, shut up. I don't want to listen anything from you. Jimin, in mind, Yoongi Hyang, where are you? Please come back quickly. Cookie needs you. June Hyang will definitely hurt him today. He isn't listening to me. Please, Hyang, come here fast. He was praying to God to send Yoongi here to save Cookie. Now only he can save him. June isn't in any mood of showing mercy. He was standing in front of Cookie and Cook was crying and screaming. He was very scared. Meanwhile, with T was trying to stand up and walk, but because of his ankle sprain, he can't. But then also, he was trying his best to go outside. Soon, Yoongi came there and saw T was struggling to walk. He quickly came there to help him. Yoongi, T, what happened to your leg? How did you hurt yourself? T looked at him. Sir, I'm fine. Go and save him. Yoongi, confused. Save him? But whom? You aren't fine. Wait, let me take you to your room. T pointed his finger outside. Go fast. Yoongi, in the backyard? What's there? Why are you sending me there? T, you just go now. Yoongi, okay, I'm going. You just wait here. Don't go anywhere. I will take you to your room, okay? Left. Yoongi ran to backyard and the scene he saw made him more furious. He saw Cookie was kneeling down on the ground while crying hard. June was standing in front of him and Jimin was standing beside him. He quickly went there and picked Cookie in his arms. Yoongi, deep scary voice. What's happening here? Cook quickly hugged him tightly like cola. Meow meow, save Cookie. Yoongi, Cookie is safe now. Don't cry, okay? We will go to our room. Cook placed his head on Yoongi's shoulder. Meow meow meow, Cookie is lying. Yoongi, I know my Cookie never lied. Cookie is a good boy, about to go. June held his arm. Yang, you can't take him. His punishment isn't over. Yoongi looked at him with his cat glare. I don't think he can do any mistake for which he can do physical punishment. June, Yang, you don't know. Today he crossed all the limits. Yoongi, he can never cross his limits. I hope you know with whom are you talking about. Now leave my arm. Freed his arm and walked inside the house with Cookie. Jimin quickly followed them. June shouts, Yang! Ah! Yoongi took him to his room. He sat on the bed along with Cook, who was tightly hugging him and doesn't want to leave him at any cost. He tried to break the hug, but Cook tightened his grip. Yoongi softly, Cookie, leave your meow meow bun. Cook tightened his grip. No, Cookie won't leave meow meow. Yoongi, but why? See, here is no one except Cookie and his meow meow. Cookie hurts. Yoongi, now Cookie is with his meow meow. No one dares to hurt my precious bun. I will break their bone who dare to say anything to my Cookie. Now don't be afraid and look at me. Cook, promise, showed his pinky finger. Yoongi smiled and joined his pinky fingers with Cook's. Yeah, promise, now look at me. Cook slowly broke the hug and looked at him with teary eyes. Meow, meow, meow. Yoongi gently wiped his tears. Don't cry, Meow Meow is here to take care of Cookie, okay? He finally noticed fingerprints on his soft baby-like cheeks and gently rubbed it. Yoongi, did June slap you? Cook slowly nodded his head and again burst into tears. Meow meow, Cookie is lying. Yoongi strokes his back. It's okay. I will scold June. Don't cry, okay? Yoongi became super furious after knowing June slapped him, but he can't show his anger now. Cook needs him more. He got badly scared. He was controlling his anger and patted Cook's back. Yoongi, in mind, June, today you did so wrong. You have to pay for this. I won't leave you. Soon Jimin came there with tea and glass of water. He made tea sit on the couch and gave a glass of water to Yoongi. Jimin, Yang, water. Sat beside him on the bed. Yoongi took the glass of water. Cookie, bun, drink some water. Cook shook his head carelessly. No, Cookie, no, water. Yoongi, no, Cookie should drink water. See, Cookie's voice became raspy. Gently broke the hug and made him drink some water. Cook, Jinny, Yangi, Cookie wants Oma. Cook sometimes called Jin as Oma whenever he felt extremely sick or got scared. Mentally, he was only 5 years. He needs mother's love, which he gets from Jin. Yoongi, don't worry, Oma is coming. Gave his mobile to Jimin. Minnie, message Yang to come home as soon as possible with Hobie. Don't tell him what happened here, okay? Jimin, okay Yang, send the message. Yoongi finally noticed Jimin's red cheek. Turn your face. Jimin immediately turned his face. What happened, Yang? Yoongi, Minnie, you also have fingerprints on your cheek. Did June slap you too? Jimin slowly shook his head. No, he slapped Cookie, but I came in between and took the slap on myself. Yoongi touched his face, which was burning. Does it still hurt? Jimin shook his head vigorously. No. Yoongi, what no? I know it must be hurting a lot. Don't worry, Hobie will apply ointment. It will be fine soon. Cook. Oh, ma! Said while shivering. Yoongi patted his back. Oma is on the way. Touched his face. Minnie, bring the thick blanket from the closet for him. He got fever. Jimin, okay, Hang, went to closet. In this meantime, T was only looking at Cook, who was badly shivering. He remembered his time when he got beaten up by Mr. and Mrs. Lee. He was exactly shivering like Cook and got fever. Jimin brought the thick blanket and covered Cook properly, who was laying on Yoongi while hugging him tightly. Yoongi looked at T and said, Yoongi, T, what happened? Are you alright? T looked at him with scared eyes. Yes, sir. Yoongi, why are you scared? Don't worry, Hobie is coming. We will check your leg. It will be fine soon, okay? Soon Jin and Hobie came there and found young Cookie's fever. Hobie treated poor T. Cook was sleeping peacefully. Now everyone came into the living room. Jin, fuming in anger, care to explain? Why did you slap him? Do you know because of you he got 104-degree fever? Do you know its meaning? Why are you silent now? Don't you have mouth to speak? June, it was his fault, Hyang. Why are you scolding me? I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not regretting over my deeds. Whatever I did was right. He deserved it. Hobie shouts, are you serious, June? Didn't you see his condition? How can you treat him like this? He is our youngest brother. June, Hyang, first don't shout. He will be fine soon. He is youngest. It doesn't mean he has the license to do anything. He should know his limits. If he will forget the difference between right and wrong, then we should teach him, and I don't think it's wrong. Yoongi, have you lost your mind? Before teaching him anything, you should look at yourself. Don't forget, you are talking with your hands. June, I didn't forget anything, Hyang. I know everything, but you forget everything because of Cook's love. You are supporting him in his wrong deeds. I can't support him. Elders or youngers, everyone should take the responsibility of their acts. Jin, enough, June. You are crossing your limits. June, I'm in my limits, Hyang. Cook crossed his limits. He pushed T from the stairs. If I didn't come at right time, then anything happen can him. Hobie, I can't believe this. Our Cookie can never do anything like this. June, I saw everything by my eyes. I saw T was standing at the stairs and he pushed him. Jin, you must had any misunderstanding. Cookie is so innocent. June, there is no misunderstanding, Hyang. Jin, June, Hyang, please stay out of this matter. I'm not a kid who doesn't know the difference between right and wrong. Left. Time skipped in the midnight. T came to Yoongi's room. They both had some conversation, and after 15 minutes, T left from there. Time skipped in the morning. Yoongi, Hyang, I'm going to send back T back to his orphanage. Because of him, there is dispute in our family. T came there. Yes, sir. Yoongi, go outside. T, okay. Left. June, no, you can't do this, Hyang. You know how badly they treated him. How can you even think about this? Yoongi, I already took the decision. T has to go back. He can't live with us anymore. You became partial for him. It's not good for our family. June, Hyang, if you have any problem from me, then tell to me. Why are you bringing that innocent kid in between us? He didn't even know anything. He is so innocent. Yoongi, my decision is final. Left. June, went to Jin. Hyang, please stop him. It's not T's mistake. Please don't let him to send him back to the orphanage. He isn't well. His wounds are still raw. Jin, you yourself tell me to stay away from this matter. I can't do anything. Sorry. Left. June shouts, Hyang. To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. I wanna ask, why do you think bad about Cook's character? He isn't bad. He has a 5 years old kid's brain. Because of that, he easily becomes jealous, but in cute way. He is well-mannered kid. Do you think Yoongi will really send T back to the orphanage? What secret talk happened between T and Yoongi? Will Cook be fine after this incident? Think. You will get all the answer in next episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.